The diagram below, not drawn to scale, shows a rectangle. When its length is increased by 50% and its breadth is increased by 20%, what is the percentage increase in its area? So the very first thing we can do is to find the current area. That will be equals to length times breadth. 38 times 16, which is 608 square centimeter. Now something happened to the length and also to the breadth as well. So as for the length, originally it is 100% and we increase it by 50%, so the new percentage is 150%. So the original length is 38 centimeter. We need to go to 150%. Okay, now to do this, you can actually go to 50%. There's no need to do 1% because it's a very nice number. So what we can do is divide by 2 on this side, right? 100 divided by 2 is 50. 38 divided by 2. 38 divided by 2, that will be 19 cm. And from there, we jump to 150%. How do we do that? We multiply by 3. 50 times 3 is 150. We do the same thing over here. So 19 times 3. 57 cm. So that is the new length that we are working with. Now, how about the breadth? Okay, the breadth, let's see. The breadth increased by 20%. So breadth is next. 100% plus 20%. 120%. Now, the 100% original breadth will be 16 centimeter. And how do we jump to 120%? We can first go to 20% first. Divide by 5 here. Do the same thing over here as well. 16 divided by 5. 3.2 cm. And we times by 6 next. Okay, 20 times 6, that's how we get 120. We do the exact same thing here. 3.2 times 6. 19.2 cm. So let's figure out what is the new area. Okay, so the new area will be equals to the new length 57 times the new breadth 19.2. 1094.4 squared cm. Alright, so what is the percentage increase in the area? (1094.4) minus the original one, which is 608. Divide this by the original and times by 100%. And we'll get a very nice answer of 80%. Final answer for this question.